Within the Dashboard Snapshot tab of each client plan, you can customize the snapshot report by rearranging the layout and adding new items. While this can be done individually for each client plan, you can also create snapshot templates. These templates allow you to save a particular snapshot layout and quickly and easily apply that layout to one or more clients going forward. To create a snapshot template, navigate to the Advisor portal and then click into the Templates Snapshot tab. Your Templates tab may be located in the More menu here, depending on your specific account setup. Once here, click the blue Add Template button in the upper right to create a new template. You can rename the template by clicking the pencil and paper icon next to New Template. You can then fully customize your template by adding new items, removing existing items, and rearranging the layout. After completing your template, be sure to click the blue Save button in the lower right to lock in your selections. After creating and saving a template, you can then apply that template to one or more clients by clicking the Apply Template button at the top of the page. This will pull up a window allowing you to choose which clients or client groups you would like to apply that template to. Please be aware that existing snapshot items will be overwritten for the selected clients, including any notes typed out within a text box item. If you frequently utilize text boxes within the snapshot module, it is recommended to double-check the client plan and copy down any notes before applying a snapshot template. If you have any additional questions about the snapshot module, please feel free to take a look at our Help Center or to reach out to the RightCapital support team for more information.